Have you ever wondered how your morning orange juice is made? Let's embark on the journey of an orange, tracing its path from the boughs of a tree to the bustling juice factory. It all begins in the sun-kissed groves where oranges bask in the perfect balance of sunshine and rain, essential for their sweet and tangy flavor. Farmers, with years of experience under their belts, know exactly when these orbs of sunshine are ripe for the picking. Once the oranges have reached their peak, they're carefully plucked from the trees, ensuring their freshness is preserved. It's a race against time as they're quickly loaded onto trucks and transported to the juice factories. This trip is crucial. It's a delicate balance to maintain the orange's freshness and prevent bruising during transit. So, the oranges have made it to the factory. But how do they become juice? Stay tuned as we peel back the layers of this fascinating process. Welcome to the factory where the magic happens. It's here where the humble orange begins its transformation into a refreshing glass of juice. As soon as the oranges arrive, they're greeted with a thorough wash, scrubbing away any dirt or impurities. This ensures that only the purest, freshest oranges make it to the next stage. Once they're squeaky clean, it's time for the oranges to lose their juice. But fear not. It's a gentle process, and no orange is harmed in the making. A machine extracts every drop of juice, leaving behind the rind and the pith. The juice is now ready for the next stage, but the remaining peel isn't discarded. Instead, it's often used for compost or in the production of other products. Nothing goes to waste here. Now, we're dealing with pure, freshly squeezed orange juice, but it's not ready for your breakfast table just yet. It's time for pasteurization, a process that ensures your orange juice is safe to drink. The juice is swiftly heated to a high temperature, then cooled down rapidly. This process kills any potential bacteria without altering the natural taste of the orange juice. Next up, the juice is deaerated. Sounds scientific, right? Well, it is. Deaeration removes air from the juice. This prevents oxidation, ensuring that the juice retains its vibrant color and tangy flavor. Following deaeration, it's time to add a little sweetness. Some natural sugar may be added back into the juice to balance out the tartness and bring you that sweet, familiar taste of orange juice we all know and love. Finally, the juice is cooled and stored in large tanks, ready to be packaged. It's kept under specific conditions to maintain its quality and freshness until it's time to be bottled up and prepared for its journey to the supermarket. And just like that, the oranges have transformed into juice, but we're not done yet. The factory process is a fascinating blend of science and nature, turning simple oranges into the delightful drink that brightens up our mornings. Stay tuned as we dive into the next stage, packaging and distribution. Now that we have our juice, it's time to get it ready for you. How, you might wonder? Well, it's a meticulously planned process. The juice gets transferred into cartons or bottles, depending on what you prefer. This isn't just any ordinary packaging, oh no. This packaging is designed specifically to preserve the freshness and quality of the juice. But we don't stop there. Maintaining a cold temperature is crucial in this stage. You see, keeping the juice chilled helps to lock in that delicious fresh from the grove taste. It's as if we've trapped a little bit of sunshine in each carton or bottle. Next comes the distribution. Our juice embarks on a journey, traveling far and wide to reach store shelves. And not just any stores, but your local grocery store, waiting to be picked up and brought home by you. Off it goes, ready to be a part of your breakfast table. So how does this juice finally reach your glass? Well, after the orange juice is packaged and distributed, it lands on the shelves of your local grocery or convenience store. You might find it in the refrigerated section, standing there chilled and inviting. Or perhaps it's in the long life aisle, waiting patiently for its turn to refresh. When you make your selection and bring it home, remember to keep it refrigerated. This isn't just to keep it cold, but also to maintain its freshness. You see, orange juice is a bit like a vampire. It hates the light and heat. This is because light and heat can degrade the vitamins and natural flavors of the juice. And so when you pour that glass of orange juice at breakfast, you're enjoying a product that's made its way from a sunny orchard through a high-tech factory to your refrigerator. And there you have it, the journey of an orange from the tree to your breakfast glass. So next time you sip your orange juice, remember the journey it's been on.